Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Instagram. You have been logged out, please log back in problem. At first open your phone Play Store and search 1.1.1 VPN. Now scroll up and you can see these apps and click here and install it. After install it, you go back and click on your Instagram and now click on app info. Now again click on storage and clear all data. Now again go back and click on your installed VPN. For activation you need to follow this guideline and click on accept. Now install VPN profile. And now you can see the interface and connect it. Now go back and again log in your Instagram. Now click on save and you can easily log in your Instagram account.